Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into a fascinating topic that's bound to make you rethink your sleep habits. Did you know that good sleep is like brain fertilizer? Yup, it's true. Your ability to think clearly, manage emotions, and make smart decisions all hinges on getting a nightly dose of high-quality sleep. During the day, we rely heavily on that fertilizer with every cognitive task we tackle. And if the effort is intense, our brains get fatigued. While that might sound pretty standard, here's where it gets shocking. New research reveals that when your brain is exhausted, key parts actually fall asleep, even when you're wide awake and trying to focus. This phenomenon, called local sleep, happens in areas of the frontal cortex involved in emotions and decision-making. So, what does that mean for you? Well, you lose self-control, become more impulsive, more aggressive, and less able to make wise decisions. Imagine lashing out at a loved one or a colleague, something you'd never do if you were well rested. Dr. Pietro Pietrini, co-author of the study and director of the Molecular Mind Lab at Italy's IMT School of Advanced Studies Lucca, explains that these findings provide a scientific basis to the age-old advice to sleep on it before making a decision. The study shows that metabolic exhaustion within certain brain areas significantly affects our decision-making processes. This startling revelation is detailed in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, published on November 11th. It supports a theory called ego depletion, which holds that willpower and volition, our ability to take initiative, make choices, and regulate thoughts, diminish with use and are restored by rest and sleep. But wait, there's more. Other research indirectly backs up this theory, showing how emotional control and decision-making prowess plummet after a night of poor sleep. A 2023 brain imaging study found that just one night of sleep loss negatively impacts neural activity the next day, hampering your ability to make decisions. So, what's the takeaway here? Prioritize your sleep, folks. Your brain needs quality rest to function at its best. Make sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine, and watch as your cognitive abilities, emotional control, and decision-making skills flourish. That's it for today. Sleep well, think better, and make smarter decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more eye-opening content. Catch you next time.